Hi, everyone. My name is Bharat Rai, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Ethos. Ethos is an addiction management platform focused on the early intervention of alcohol-associated diseases. I'm joined by my team, a group of experienced data scientists, clinicians, and industry experts making up over 20 years of digital health experience. Together, we're on a mission to reduce the rising prevalence of alcohol misuse by catching it earlier. How many of us either know someone or have been personally affected by some form of addiction? For a lot of us, the reality is we never really know how much is too much, at least until something pretty consequential happens. And it's especially true for alcohol misuse. Currently, there are over 29 million Americans who meet the criteria for alcohol use disorder diagnosis, yet only 1 million of these individuals ever go on to receive any treatment. The 28 million Americans who are currently getting missed by our system result in $70 billion of alcohol-attributable preventable costs. So our goal over the next 5 years is to more than double the number of patients enrolled into AUD treatment. To do that, we're going to utilize our platform that utilizes historical, clinical, routine data to create aggregated insights and relapse risk scores to identify patients at risk of alcohol-associated disease and identify and triage these patients into specialized addiction management programs that we then wrap around care delivery with through our RPM offering. One of the key highlights that we had in the Mayo Accelerate program was the use case that we delivered in the liver transplant space. One of our models predicts post-transplant relapse at the time of pre-transplant psychosocial evaluation. Our platform aggregates historical data to generate personalized relapse risk scores. Through feature importance, we identify risk factors that we translate into care gaps so that we can give social workers clarity and visibility on which patients need which care pre and post-transplant. When we started our company in 2022, we first went out to solve one of the first pain points that drives so many patients away from AUD treatment: accessibility. We developed our patient-facing application and optimized for engagement and retention. And we used those insights to start building into healthcare. And when we started our collaboration with the Mayo Accelerate program, we were able to identify key opportunities and data points that we didn't have access to prior and are now starting to get key interest in health systems as we prepare our B2B market launch. Our business model bundles our two offerings of early detection and RPM at $60 per patient per month for individuals that are identified and enrolled into our program. Our goal is over the next 5 years to enroll 1.6 million patients into the Ethos program. Following the Accelerate program, our next steps are to further clinically validate our ML models, engage more health system partnerships, where then in the next 6 months thereafter, we'll be deploying our models to demonstrate clinical utility of the products that we've developed, and start engagement with health plans to measure cost-saving opportunities that show when addressing alcohol misuse earlier can provide to health plans. In our first year, our goal is to demonstrate the clinical and financial utility of the Ethos platform so that we can start showing to health systems and health plans the opportunity that exists when addressing alcohol use earlier, so that we as a company can start addressing more alcohol-associated diseases and drive better interventions. These are the stakeholders that we drive value for, and our goal is to measure and demonstrate value across each of the value drivers over our next year. And currently, we're looking to partner with health systems that are ready to engage in pilots, and we're raising our next round of funding where we're looking to continue to develop our team, execute our go-to-market, and deliver on the value that we expect to bring to the healthcare system. Thank you very much, and I look forward to connecting with everyone very soon.